Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The Samsung Galaxy A18 5G, 2026, is a high-end mid-range smartphone designed to bridge the gap between affordability and premium performance. It features a minimalist, ergonomic design with a matte finish, available in onyx black, celestial blue, and forest green. The device boasts a 6.7-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth navigation and immersive media consumption. Enhanced peak brightness and HDR10+ compatibility provide excellent visibility and vibrant color accuracy, even in direct sunlight. Hardware and performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8500 processor and available in 8GB or 12GB RAM configurations, the A18 5G is built for high-efficiency multitasking and demanding applications. It starts with 256GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, offering significant flexibility for power users. Photography and multimedia. The standout feature is its 200MP main camera, supported by a 16MP ultra-wide lens and a 5MP macro sensor. AI-driven optimization enhances lighting and detail for professional-grade results. Additionally, a 32MP front camera handles high-definition video calls and selfies, while dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos provide a premium audio experience. Battery and connectivity. To support long-term daily use, the phone includes a substantial 6000 mAh battery with 67W fast charging capabilities. Connectivity is future-proofed with 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, and seamless integration within the Samsung ecosystem. Security features include an in-display fingerprint scanner and facial recognition. Software and longevity. The Galaxy A18 5G debuts with Android 16 and One UI 8.0, focusing on intuitive customization, productivity modes, and enhanced privacy. Samsung commits to several years of OS updates and security patches, ensuring the device remains relevant and secure over time. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.